Jamie O'Brien. I'm from Pennsylvania. I'm a rising junior at Olin College of Engineering studying electrical and computer engineering, and this is my first summer at NASA. My overall goals for the summer are to work on this multi-agent inertial transfer system and mainly work on the launching agent to get it to transfer an object to the secondary agent and communicate as much information as needed in the process. So I'm working on building the mechanical launcher as well as automating it and creating a communication system so it can communicate with the agent on the opposite end of the transfer. So essentially there's a linear actuator using electromagnet to compress a spring, and then it launches the object and then uses an IR system to get the speed of the object and then communicates that through a Arduino ROS bridge to the ROS system. Inertial transfer is a really cool way of getting around payload fairing sizes and just really slow manufacturing and assembly in space. So it would be a lot more efficient instead of tethering an object and moving it really slowly to use its own momentum and inertia to transfer it to another agent. What we're working on is a two-dimensional simulation of this problem and trying to prove fidelity in. So if you have a satellite in space and it breaks and it needs a new part, instead of slowly getting a part over there, if one robot could toss the needed part and another robot could catch it and then assemble it onto the satellite, it would be a lot faster and a lot more efficient, and the satellite would be down for a lot less time. It would also help us to assemble things deeper in space and start establishing long-term human presence in space. So this summer we are using an air-bearing table to simulate in 2 dimensions zero gravity so that we can transfer an object between 2 robotic agents. It's a really simplified version of the problem, but it's a good starting base since it's the very start of research in terms of inertial transfer and in-space assembly. I do a lot of autonomy research at school, mainly in ocean engineering and assistive technology, so it's really fun to do another autonomy research project, but involving space.